Today is Thursday, March 28th. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fuel-injected fast idling valve assembly. Okay, this is for my friend Michael Kane, and I'm doing a functional validation test. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set, and here I'm checking for the resistance drops, and we can look at the meter and we'll see the number drop to approximately half, which is consistent with a proper functioning fast idling valve. Included in the fast idling valve we have the spring, the plunger, and the nozzle seat. And I'll be shipping this out to my friend Michael Kane. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. In the subsequent video, I'm doing the thermal expansion test and have validated the fast idling valve for performance in that area as well. Today is Thursday, March 28th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.